Waiting for Jackie MVP Lapil. Climb back. Set to go now. Oh, says out. It's a good start coming from Spinning Ridge. A Spinning Ridge, Super Rizzaria, Divine Zazu, Pag-ukol, Bubuko, Rushing Up, Magato, Jade Avenue, Double Black, Spartan Nariza, and Whoa, Duck is the early trailer. We have Super, Bayawalang Ganahap is Spinning Ridge in second, and racing in third, Divine Zazu, Pag-ukol, Bubukol in fourth, alongside Jade Avenue, Magato, Nariza, Spartan, Double Black, and Wobble Duck still racing him last. So that's still Super. Bayawalang Kanahapa is Spinning Ridge on the outside. He binds Zazu Jade Avenue in the middle portion. Pag-ukol, Bubukol in fifth. Nerissa Magato. Superb still in front. In the middle now is Jade Avenue. Spinning Ridge. The binds Zazu. Three runners fighting it out for the leader. Jade Avenue now takes the lead on the outside now. Is Spinning Ridge, Superb Divine Zazu, Pag-ukol, Bubukol, and Magato. Jade Avenue, is Spinning Ridge, Superb, moving up Divine Zazu. Is Spinning Ridge takes the lead. Jade Avenue drives back in second. Divine Zazu in third. We've got Is Spinning Ridge this time by about 2 lengths. And in second, Jade Avenue, Divine Zazu. And in the finish line, it's number 5 is Spinning Ridge. Divine Zazu, close. Jade Avenue, Pag-ukol, Bubukol.
Okay, parang karirista para sa inyo. Race number 3, ang ating pong unofficial winner dyan, numero 5, Spinning Ridge with John Alvin Guse. Masisiguro nga, numero 4, Divine Zazu.